Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com hourly analysis for the Euro US dollar FX for Wednesday, February 20th, 2013. Well, a bearish candle for the final hour of trading that's just completed. A candle that has a lower high and a lower low, a black body candle, suggesting that the sellers are attempting to take control of this market. Previous to this, the market attempted to rally on very weak candles, very small white body candles, and now we've had a black body candle that has taken out the bodies of the previous candles, closing down below there as well, suggesting that the sellers are attempting to take control of this market once again. Very weak effort from the buyers attempting to rally this market. The sellers are strongly in control and committed in this hour of trading. If we look at how the market developed throughout the trading day today, we saw the market open up above the pivot point, the blue dotted line here, and trade up above the 134 level very early and above the first pivot point level of resistance in a very bullish manner. A very weak test up to the second pivot point resistance area, and very indecisive trading as the market tested up to there. Once again, very strong price projection from this zone, with the market trading up above both the cloud and the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen, giving us a bullish market in all three time frames. That did suggest, with this bullish breakout up above the first area, it did suggest there was a possibility of the market going on with the move, but obviously the second pivot point area has held as a very important area of resistance. Following that, we had a very solid bearish breakout down below the second pivot point's resistance area, below the 134 level and below the Tenkan-sen, giving us a bearish market in the medium-term time frame, and then a breakout below the a bearish market in the short-term time frame, then a bearish breakout below the Kijun-sen, giving us a bearish market in the medium and the fast-term time frames. A subsequent rally as the market found support at the pivot point saw the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen hold as a resistance for this market, and then the market testing down to the first pivot point level of support, which coincided with the bottom of the cloud. Very indecisive trading down there. The market was holding around those levels, and then a breakout down below on an indecisive spinning top type candle, and then towards the end of the day, a very solid bearish breakout down below that level, with the sellers taking very strong control of this market. Traded right through the second pivot point level to trade within the highlighted yellow zone of very strong support for this market. A very weak rally, and as we've seen now today, a substantially bearish close down below both of these candles as the market attempted to rally. The market is trading down below the pivot point level and below the 133.20 level of support and resistance here, and trading within the highlighted zone. So we could expect the area to find the market to find support all the way down within this area down to 132.50. The first pivot point level of support that we have is down around the 132.23 level. That's just below the highlighted zone of support, and will offer itself as an important area of support. We have the area at 131.96 offering as support for this market, and then the second pivot point level of support at 131.66. In all three time frames, this market is bearish. We're trading down below the cloud, below the Kijun-sen, the pink line, and below the Tenkan-sen. So a bearish market, and the trading bias should be towards the short side at the moment, but considering that we have solid support within this zone, this highlighted zone, we do need to be very wary of taking on short positions at the moment. If this market does attempt to rally, then the 133.20 level is offering itself as potential resistance, previously support, and a very strong level, an important level in the past. And we also have the Tenkan-sen trading in that area, and I suggest that if we do rally towards that area, we should see strong selling coming, and it also coincides with the area that the middle pivot point is here. So a bearish market in all three time frames. We do have very, very solid support down below, substantial resistance overhead, but there is a possibility of the market, if we do trade down through the 132.50, we could quickly trade down to 132.25 level, and then down to 131.96.